Hey everybody, welcome back to theclinicaltrialsguru.com. Again, that website address is theclinicaltrialsguru.com. I love getting viewer emails. And today's email, lately I've actually been getting a lot of emails regarding questions. Most of them are questions that people have, people in the clinical research industry. And lately I've been getting a lot of good ones and a lot of ones that I haven't been getting in the past. So I'm just going to read you this person's email while keeping this person's name and information confidential. It says, "Hi Dan, I'm a coordinator with almost 2 years experience. I manage all facets of our trials from regulatory to patient visits to study closeout. More recently, I've taken over the contract and budget portion as well. I'm looking for tips on how to do this in the most organized fashion. As of now, I'm using multiple spreadsheets to track our account receivable/payable. I can see this getting out of hand in the future as our site becomes busier than we already are. Are there any programs or possibly better formulated spreadsheets available that would make my job easier?" So, first of all, my advice to you is that these spreadsheets, I'm assuming they're Excel, but they can be anything. What you need to track is the study visits per month per study. And then go to your budget and see how much each visit is worth. So, for example, let's say you had a visit 3 today for one study. You go to your contract or your budget for that study and you see how much it's worth. Let's say it's worth $1,200. And you put that next to it. Once your visit is complete, and in the future when you hire coordinators, because I'm assuming if you guys get busier, you're going to be managing coordinators, have them give you the printout for the study visit. So study visit confirmation printout. Then you know that the visit happened, and you go in your Excel sheet, and you track it as complete. Now you know what you're owed, at least for that month. And so on an ongoing monthly basis, you line up all your visits that you've had done for each study. So unfortunately, there is no real way to do this all together in one, although you still need to track them in separate spreadsheets and merge them into one program. And this program I would suggest is QuickBooks Pro. There are others also. There's one called Peachtree, but QuickBooks Pro is what I've been using at South Coast, and now we have someone else who manages our accounts receivables, because quite frankly, he does a better job than I do, and I'll probably interview him on this topic this week, but I just wanted to get this video out to you as quickly as possible, and I know it took me a while to actually get it to you. But keep the spreadsheets, and then for each study, have a separate spreadsheet. And at the end of every month, merge all of these visits that have been confirmed into your QuickBooks. So it sounds like you actually have more work to do, but the QuickBooks can give you a running log of how much you're owed. And on there, you can itemize each protocol on one sheet. So for example, let's say one study owes you like $3,200 for 1 month, and another one owes you $3,600. Now you'll have $6,800 that you know you are owed, and it's itemized per each study on one nice little sheet on QuickBooks. But what you're doing as far as tracking your account receivables on Excel is very good. You need to do that for every study. And again, get those visit confirmations and make sure that you track these things on a weekly and then monthly basis, and then merge them all into QuickBooks. And then you can keep your Excel files for later, but really your official books will be QuickBooks, and that is easily kept on one spreadsheet. Hopefully this helps. I wanted to give my Clinical Trial Guru producers a quick shout out. It is Sarah Elizabeth Siegler, Resolve Research Solutions, Accurate Clinical Trials, Erdhart Clinical Trials, PT&R, Patrick Stone, we have Darshan Kulkarni, Biopharm Systems, Zymewire, Mozio, South Coast Clinical Trials, Breakthrough Clinical Trials, and most recently, St. Paul Medical Research Center in Miami, Florida. If you're interested in being a clinical trial guru producer, let me know. It's only $99 for a lifetime membership. You get links on the blog to your site. You get mentioned in every video, and I occasionally do random social media links and links back to your site, all to help you get more awareness for your brand or your company or yourself. Some of our producers are individuals. Whatever it may be, let me know. And I hope this question helps you out. Dan from theclinicaltrialsguru.com. Thank you.